everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. A common question I get is, how often am I supposed to be fertilizing my plants? So today, as I went through and I fertilized our tomatoes, I thought that I would answer a few of your most common questions. So first of all, I pretty much just use one type of fertilizer, and that's about it. I always use the organic Espoma fertilizer, and today we're going to use this one, the tomato fertilizer, because I'm going to be fertilizing my tomatoes. So I planted them, I transplanted them probably about a month ago, and then I waited for them to get settled in before I gave them any fertilizer. And then whenever I gave them fertilizer, it's been about 2 weeks now. And so whenever I first gave them fertilizer, I did notice it seemed to really pick up. I'll try to pop in like a before I fertilized and then an after, like what it looks like now. It looks amazing. It looks so good. So I'm definitely going to keep up with fertilizing every 2 weeks while I am here in this growing season with this Espoma tomato fertilizer. And just to let you know too, we are going to be doing a giveaway for this tomato fertilizer for this whole month of May. We're doing a giveaway for one of the bags, so make sure to follow the link that I will post in the description, and it'll give you all the details to that video that I posted not too long ago. But long story short, all you need to do is just make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and then comment on any of our videos that we make during this month. So this fertilizer is not just good for tomatoes. We can use this fertilizer for our peppers also, our eggplants, things like that. So it's not just a tomato fertilizer. It can be used for several different ones that we have growing right now. So I'll take you over here to our Parks Whopper tomato that we have up against our trellis and show you how I go about fertilizing whenever I do it. It is super simple. Okay, I changed the angle here so that way you can see what I'm going to be doing. So pretty much all you want to do whenever you go to fertilize is just gently place some of this fertilizer at the base of the plant. And then after you do that, you're just going to work it into the soil gently. And then I'm going to go ahead and water also, because I've noticed that this bed here seems a little bit dry too, because I can stick my finger down and it feels pretty dry. It's been a couple days and we are getting a lot of warm weather, so I'll make sure I water this in real well. But that's really about all that there is to this. It's very simple. All you do is just come in here every 2 weeks and sprinkle a little bit at the base of the plant and work it in the soil. And if you ever have any questions, or if you forget how often you are supposed to fertilize something, make sure you check out our app from Seed to Spoon, because it will show you the fertilizing schedules for each plant, and it'll give you just a basic information of when to do, what to use, and all of that. So make sure you check that out. And don't forget to enter to win your very own fertilizer also. We will be announcing the winner on the 1st of next month, so make sure you are paying attention to our YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section and I will get back with you. See y'all later. Bye.